Okay, my glasses are dirty, and this is what's called being a mom. You're 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey, what's up, you guys? It is Elizabeth Graham here, mom boss on a budget, helping busy moms create and grow their online business without breaking the bank. I am so excited for today's video because in today's video, I'm going to be introducing you into the 6-part series to help you win in your online business. So back in 2017, when I began my online marketing business, I literally started wrong, which is why I call this my $10,000 mistake. I started everything backwards. So I am wanting to help people not create the same mistakes that I did. And fortunately, I have such an incredible husband who is very forgiving, and he's allowed me to take another risk and start all over from scratch. And I really want to help you understand that these 6 winning ways are really going to help you with your business, because I made all the mistakes and now you don't have to. So let's get started. The first thing is you're going to want to identify who your target market is. That is the number one thing, that if you don't have that identification at all, you're going to have to start from scratch. And that is a-okay. If you are relaunching your business because it isn't growing the way you want it, or you don't want to be spending thousands of dollars, you're in the right place. You're going to want to identify who that target audience is. And it's one of those things that if you attract everyone, you're going to attract no one. We're going to be going deeper into this next week as we kick off our 6-part series. Number 2, you're going to want a personal brand. And I do not mean your color and your fonts. That's down the line. You want to have something that represents who you are. It's personal. It's who you are, what your business stands for. You might want to ask yourself right now, what is the goal of my business? Do I want to eventually write a book? Do I want to eventually have a large YouTube channel, maybe a large following, and I want to become an influencer? Those are questions you need to be asking yourself. Before we keep going with the video, guys, hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your notifications so you get notified, because sometimes YouTube doesn't notify just for subscribing. And be like that butterfly, hurry up and do it. Now, let's head back to the video, guys. Number 3, and this to me is one of the most important things, because people most likely don't do this in their business because they're not told that this is so important. And you need to be having some sort of email marketing strategy built for your business. Apparently back in March 2019, Facebook and Instagram, or maybe it's one or the other, not exactly sure, they shut down for 10 hours and people were struggling because they thought their business was gone for those 10 hours. So it is important for you to be setting up success for yourself by creating an email marketing strategy. Number 4, your freebies and your offers. This is how people opt in to give you their email. And this is very, very crucial that you do it according to who your audience is. And that takes you right back to who your target market is. You need to identify that before you start creating emails that they're probably not interested in. And so that is something that you need to design your own freebies. Give them a reason to want to opt in. Number 5, and this is where I started, and that is why I failed so hard, is I started out with my marketing strategy. You cannot start building your house until you have a solid foundation. So the solid foundation are the 3 things before marketing strategy, and marketing strategy starts to help build your house, build your business. You need to have the 3 things for the foundation before you go deep into your marketing strategy. And the last one is your actual brand, regarding colors and fonts and all the fun things with your websites or your graphics and everything that's going to represent you. This is something that you focus on once you have all the other pieces together. So your task for this week is going to be simply to start identifying who your target audience is, who that specific audience that you want to have as a business partner, or you want to have in your business. Those are people that you want to start thinking about what they're going to be or who they're going to be as we begin our 6-part series next week. If you found this video useful, I have other videos that I will be posting. Go ahead and check those videos out where I talk about how to build a business with just 2 things under $100 a year right here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.